You can have a daily income of up to $1,000, $300, $100, $40 from daily dollar income with your mobile phone that you're watching the video with. Even if you're on a computer, you can easily earn a daily income of $100, $200, up to $1,000 for free from this Telegram bot that I want to introduce to you today. Hello to my dear friends, welcome to another video on earning dollar income with a mobile phone. Guys, on my channel you can have a really good daily income using free videos. Just listen to me until the end of the video so I can show you how you can have a really good income using this Telegram bot and make use of it, as you can see. Section, guys. You can enter this section by clicking on the game section or the home page. By using the claim option, you can easily withdraw your tokens, and now I'm withdrawing 30 tokens. You can use these 30 tokens, which you can claim every 6 hours. These 30 tokens, along with 1,000 stars, are given to you. By using this option, which activates every 6 hours, you can receive stars and convert your stars into Tether or USDT. This is another great option that allows you to earn a good income in the combo game section, where you select images. In the upper section, images are displayed to you. Once you have done this, you receive tokens which you can convert into USDT using the tokens you have collected. You can then make your withdrawal through the methods that I will explain later in the video. If you click on the daily game or daily reward option, you can receive pods or points daily, which can easily increase your income. If you click on the exchange option, you can use this section to convert your utilities into tickets or coins. I will explain more about coins and tickets later in the video. We click on the withdraw option to make our withdrawal from this site. You can use connected wallet. To connect your Keeper wallet to this site, you enter your Keeper address in the top section. In the first part, I'm talking about this wallet Keeper. Guys, you got it. This is from this section. In the Keeper section, you enter your own address, your Keeper address. And in the second section, you enter the minimum withdrawal amount, which is $3 on the site. Now, if you want it to be $10, $100, or whatever your account balance is, you enter it and click on the withdrawal option. It's that easy. Your withdrawal is completed in less than an hour and you can have it in your wallet, convert it into dollar bills, and experience a really cool daily dollar income. In the lottery section, as you can see, there are various daily, weekly, and monthly exciting prizes that you can use, and you can also earn a potentially very good income by trying your luck with the lottery to see how you can have a really significant income from this part as well. These opportunities offer potentially significant rewards. In the referral section, as you can see, you take your own link, copy it, and for every person you invite to this platform, you receive 1 cent in dollars. If you invite 100 people to just come and start the bot, you will receive $1 gift. You can experience significant income generation by using fake referrals and cheating on this site. My suggestion to you is to definitely use this method and earn a great income from this section, and making $100 to $200 a day, which truly provides you with impressive dollar income. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like and comment. Bye for now. Goodbye.